I have been crushing out for the past 30 not for the past minutes trying to fix some bugs. So yeah. Um Myla turns out has a bug. Probably it's an undefined bug, probably. Not undefined, unknown behavior, a UB in C, because Myla actually, yeah, as you can see, has yeah, there you go. We have our own wrapper around Myla, around Malok and Realok. It's defined here. Um, it's defined here, and as you can see, it memsets the thing. Problem is, when I tried to remove these wrappers, because well, we don't implement the custom allocator anymore, because that's pretty useless in my defense. In my oh no, no, it's pretty useless. Not in my what yeah, when I removed this and replaced everything with normal calls to malloc, it broke the thing, and as you can see, it's fixed now. Object-oriented programming is now fixed in Myla. Yay! So as you can see here, so this is much more better to read than whatever the hell this is, and this actually, accepts this syntax, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's the only problem. It's prototype based. It's the best. It's the easiest type of OOP, of object-oriented programming, to implement. It's basically just dictionaries all the way down. Well, not all the way down. These are not objects. They're not objects. Not everything is objects here. We don't care about objects. So, anyways, yeah, we have objects now, and it works. Unlike this, whatever that syntax means. So basically, because dictionaries in Myla basically accept a key value pair, any number of key value pair, or none at all. So this is also valid. It looks this way because that's not a dictionary literal, that's a function call. And in built-ins, it's, yeah, there it is. So as you can see, yep, we just took over the pair. So yeah, it's not good, but this is much more prettier. Yay. And you can also just, because this is just a dictionary, you can just, yeah, you can just use it as a dictionary. So I'm gonna put my name here, and then put another thing here, probably my age, and then that's it. That's just a dictionary. If you print some record, you'll see that, okay, why is it not, oh no, something's wrong. What is wrong? It's null. What is wrong with this language? I didn't break anything accidentally, did I? No! Great. And then there it is. I didn't break anything, did I? Yeah, that's still there. Right now we can just... Oops. Daisy. Oh wait, what? ちょっと fast? Just a second. Is there something I missed? Those are valid syntax, but it's not doing the thing. Why are you not doing the thing? What? That's not gonna fix it. Okay. I'd be pretty pissed if it did. So, anyways, what happened? It doesn't. Great. Even more debugging. Hooray! Is there an error that I? Yes, return it. Okay, there's leaks now, and it still doesn't print anything useful. What is the leaks? vfunction. vfunc. There we go. So otherwise, I just release that. So there we go. There's no more leaks. And the problem is, well, yeah, there. Not res. Class CNV. Oh my goodness. I am not here to play. Damn it. I'm not. Why is Klang doing that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay. Because we didn't. Oh, just a second. There we go. We just move it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay. There we go. That should be one now. Yep, that's cool. Now it's not printing for the other one. Why is it not working? It's not doing anything. Yeah, it's because there's nothing. There's nothing. Why is there nothing? Is there a minimum of 4 things that I need to do before? What if I... It's not working. And if I remove this, it's gonna suddenly print. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. It's not working because it can be used once. Why can it only be used once? Okay. Parside and skips. Yeah. Oh, that's dangerous actually, because if I... wait, I think it checks if there's space after. Oh yeah, that's cool, that's cool. So that if I go do this, it doesn't see that as set. Where are we now? Oh. Why not just use Starcher for this? Or just... yeah. Do that. Should still work. Yep. Somehow it does. Oh yeah, it's no now. So anyways, what happened? Why is it only usable once? What is happening? I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. Oh, why can't we just use skip body here? Find matching brains, you'll find, so Eslen. Where do you find the length? What? Where's Eslen? Wait, started in the source? Oh, it's less than. Oh, okay, got you. Okay. Yeah, so if it's great, oh, that's dangerous. That's basically no matching brace there. So I can technically just write this inside the function by just doing that. It will match until it runs out of space. So if it reaches the end, it's actually pretty useful. Yeah, I'll keep that bug in. So anyways, that's a feature now. So anyways, where were we? This doesn't work. Valen. Let's print everything after the thing. So S slash N backslash N backslash what the hell? Source plus S pause. Let's see. Oh, let me this one. Okay, that's not gonna help. Okay, so this is after. Okay. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's right. That should have worked then. Twice. What's the problem? The problem. Wait. Why is it null though? Whoa. Double check. Name. Oh. That's why. No. That's in a different scope. Hopefully, because it's not complaining about the type. So right, I'm just go save into person. This wasn't saved at all. Ah. Okay, that's not good. Oh goodness, I can't. It printed what? Not for this. Something is not somethinging. What? Oh my goodness, what is wrong? Let me just refresh this. What is wrong? Ah. Yeah, it's closed. What is wrong with this thing? So if I switch things with this, now person won't be defined. Yep, there it is. And now this is defined. Yeah. Why does it work that way? What? I don't know what's happening. So let's see. So it's name. So let's search the code. Now I do that after. Now it's perfect. That's it. You just need to parse that again. What the hell is wrong? Then what? I hate this thing. And we do skip that thing. So we actually know what is wrong. Why is it not work? Wait. Oh no, that's CNV. That's correct. And then we aim it. No, not yet. Yeah, because this retains it. Yeah, that's cool. And yeah, saved into some record, and then we print the thing, and then we go crazy trying to fix something. So what? Why can't we only call this once? Yeah, why can we only do an object once? Probably because of that. Probably because of that. We didn't return. Now, there... Oh my goodness, at least I fixed it now. Oh goodness. Just we fixed it, and there's now object-oriented programming. Hooray! Hooray! The only problem is constructors. We can't really copy ourselves. So constructors are wait, we can do from. So if there's from, we don't need to do... Oh yeah, that's cool, that's cool. Oh, when we do an error, we don't really free stuff. So let's, yeah, no, env free class class env. The hell was that? And then Myla free name object. So now we're gonna try here. Okay, that should still work though. If not, is keyword at s from, and then just wrap. No, we can just wrap that. What of us? Oh, because it's a... Okay, got you. You just... There you go. Oh. Otherwise, object is equal to env get we need to wrap this. So star obj name is equal to parse ident s. If not name, we actually will be tag error, e syntax error, expected a name after from. So we have more keywords to add. Yay! So then we can just go in the name if object, if not object, so return the tag error, e runtime, press variable cannot inherit from variable %s as it doesn't exist. Not build on top of variable %s as it doesn't exist. Oh, object name. Oh, we need to free that. You also need to free that name. So we got that. Oh, wait, just no, that's fine. So if we have like var setup, basically a dictionary example, setting some metadata. Let's just say it's my age. And then we go object, some record from with, instead of from we go with. Oh, don't forget with. So basically, because it's gonna be built with, so setup object record with setup, so it's just gonna include that. You actually don't need to pass anything now. So print ln object, record. Boom! And it does not work. It is, oh, there it is, but there's a heap use after free. UV free, Milo free, volume UV opaque. Oh, it's a dictionary. It got free twice. How is it free twice? Oh, okay. So we basically need to retain this now. There we go. Oh no, wait, first items. So we need to Milo free object name. Boom! It's there now. Yay! It works! The only problem is this object is practically this object now. So what we need to actually do, value object. So we still actually need, that. I'm too tired to do that. So value objects. This is value star object with object. What we're gonna do is what the hell happened there? We're gonna iterate through this dictionary and do this. Yeah, so basically we just boop, pop. Okay, wrong button, pop. So we still need to do that. So we're gonna transfer everything that this has into this one. So basically now we need to loop the entire thing. So basically we're just gonna go hack the thing I meant is this, the printer, the display. We're just gonna get this. What the hell? I don't get any of this. So we're just gonna go copy the entire freaking thing. Oh wait. We're gonna study it. So basically, so this, why is it there? It has its special thing. Oh, but then that it's just local scope to this. So we're gonna globalize it because we're gonna be using it in our own thing. Boom. You can't indent type defs. Oh, it needs to be in this. Okay, understandable. And then in here now, it shouldn't change anything. And now we're just gonna go copy this basically into here. And what we're gonna do basically, there's no other errors. Yeah, that's cool. So we don't really need to print stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go dict set object. Oh, come on, where is it? Voicy. Oh yeah, we don't need this anymore. Well, let's go. There we go. And now we just there we go. Control C. Now here we're gonna do. So there's the key. So what? Oh, okay, I got you. So we don't need that. Boop. And then we just boop. Okay. Wrong button. What? Oh. There we go. So let's see how they used it. Entries I-1. Oh, because we start from the reverse. We don't care. Do we? Oh, fine. So we're gonna go. Yeah, we do have that. That checks out. The name needs to be entry key, basically, and then it's gonna be just. Why? Incompatible pointer type passing value star. It needs to be okay. Vstring 2. It's Vstring 2. And now okay. Oh, it's gonna be object the v dot opaque. But first we gotta cast it to a dict pointer. So now that should calm down and it should not work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it doesn't work. So let's see why. Direct click of VOPIC new dictionary. Probably because of the we created a new dictionary, right? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we okay. I cannot read any of this now. We don't need to retain it now. There we go. So what is this now? Equals for what's this? Malok. Oh, we don't free this entries, so we're gonna free that. There you go. Now we end up with an empty dictionary. Why? Oh, with object. It's now. It's to quote metadata. Oh, I need to fix that. I need to fix that. How do I fix that? That would mean we'd have to store the raw key inside. No, it does. We cannot do that. So how do we reverse it? I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. How do we do that? That's not good. Dict set. Dict new dict set dict. So what if we just. So we don't have a raw one. Dict size, dict set. So we're gonna do that. Basically. So instead we're gonna do that, and instead of a value key, it's a char star key. So now here we don't need that. It's literally just a key. That's just a key. That's just a key. And that's just a key. Oh, we don't need to free it. That's just a key. Don't free it. It's just a key. So now we can basically just do that. Dict set raw. And then just boom. And now we should have no problems. There we go. It works. Hooray. Hooray. We have that now. And it's not gonna change this. So if I go set record name, my name again, print ln setup, it's not gonna affect setup, but it does affect record. As you can see, there's the name now. So that's cool, because the first thing is when we did the first thing that would have happened if we did this in the first setup is this gets mutated as well, because we literally just use this as the foundation basically. So we don't generate a new object, we would have used this, but now it does that properly. Am I muted or not? I'm okay. So let's see. No one. Oh, someone's been watching, and then they're gone. Anyways, where was I? We have this. So now var. So basically we just have that. So now we can have objects, like actual objects. Like we could. Oh, let me just charge my laptop. And of course, in just a second, I'm gonna set up my phone with my music to calm down, because I have been low-key kind of freaking out earlier. I was tweaking out earlier. Like, I was so close to punching the laptop because I couldn't fix that bug earlier. So, yeah. I'm just gonna take a break for a second and... Oh, really need to... Oh, goodness, my neck has been bleeding. I must have scratched it. So anyways, where was I? Object oriented. Oh, let me just level my laptop. It's not level. Why is it not level? Okay, it's not gonna be level anymore. I might have broken my stand. Anyways, yes. Huh. It works. Like now. So we're gonna go FN, make person or a new person. Basically. Oh, we can basically just. Oh no, that's nah. We can do this instead. New person, name. Oh my goodness, I can type. It's not level anymore, guys. Just a sec. Let me adjust that. Let me just try that again. Why is it? Let me see how badly it is. It's not actually bent or anything. Nope, it's not. Never mind, it is bent. Why is it? Oh, that's annoying, but we can't really do anything about it. So anyways, yeah, this works now. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can just do that. That's just name spacing. And here we can just return it. Oh my goodness, wrong. There we go. So that, add a period. Now we can just go for person. Wait, does it? What the hell is that? That was something. my name, and then we're gonna greet some random person. And it works, as you can see. So now we just need to, yep, there it is. Yep, it works. We have object-oriented programming. Yay! Yo. What? What? What are you trying to convey with your chat? What is that word? What do you mean? What is that? What do you mean? So, yeah. Finally, how long have I been streaming? 36 minutes, but the other stream is like what? Oh, window manager. I'm using Sway. I'm basically Wayland, right? Yeah. One of my keybinds isn't working. I hate that. Why is it not working? Oh, wrong button. Config, was it? Sway. Config. Where's the N? Why is this one not working? Alacrity class 14. Wait. Oh, wait a second. What? No. Why was that not working? It was. No, it's correct. What? Well, that's broken. This works though. Why does that work? Was there an update? Did it change the flags? What? This should have worked. This works. This doesn't. The paths. Oh, damn it. The paths. What should I see? The paths. It's not here, isn't it? Nope, there it is. Scripts. It does work. Well, that's. I'm just gonna fix it later. So anyways, yeah. I'm making my own programming language. Bugs, huh? So earlier, the bug was you can only call this once. Well, wait, no, the earlier bug, I forgot about it. The bugs. What was it? Yeah, the bugs earlier. The specific bug in the previous stream, just like half an hour ago, was about replacing my wrapper for the allocations and the allocation for the memory management thing, because I used to implement my own allocator, and yeah, where is it? Yeah, here. So this is the wrapper, and it memsets, basically just sets the allocated block of memory to 0. So the entire thing. The only problem is when I removed this, I must have written some logic that needs this, and I don't know where it was, and I didn't realize it until earlier when I was forced to just put this back here. There's probably some part here that requires mem setting it to 0, but I don't know where it is. I don't know what logic relies on this single line here. So yeah, I was just my headache earlier was just through the roof. So yeah. And the next bug that happened is this syntax over here. it's handled in this very long block, and I forgot to just return, so it ran this part of the code. Yeah, like trying to find the needle in the haystack. Well, it's much more painful, so probably the other way. Trying to find a single piece of hay in a needle stack, because it's just annoying. It's annoying. I don't. There's like, a, let's see. There's 38 matches. There's 38 different cases that I would need to check. 38 cases that may or may not use memset. And I don't want to use this everywhere because, well, if you allocate something big, it's gonna eat away your performance. It's not that bad actually, but it's still bad. Like, examples. It's not that bad if I make release and okay. Oh, the signal handler. I thought I removed that. What? Where? 5198. Oh, must have removed. Yeah, I forgot. So anyways, that should work. And in here, I should be able to just run my Raylib example, and as you can see, it's smooth, and the code here is not syntax. Raylib. So the file is here. It's running Raylib with this wrapper. So I don't generate the wrap, and I didn't write the wrappers manually. I used a script, a Python one. It was this one. It's still messy. Trying to fix it, and only supports. It doesn't support functions that have variadic arguments. So anyways, yeah, it's handling. Oops, wrong button. Handling 1,000 food pellets. And I believe if I just, where is it? Where's set tart? Oh, was it set tart? Let me just target FPS. There it is. Wait, the other one. Where's the other? So now I can just comment that away, and if I close this, run it. It's not that slow. As you can see, it's 400 FPS, peaking at about 500. It's decent. It's decent. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. So yeah, the only I really want to make allocation as fast as possible. I ended up implementing my own pool allocator, and yes, I did vibe code it. I'm not good with allocators. I have never touched allocators in my life, except for the standard ones. What's this? What? Oh, it's just some residual stuff. Oh, wrong one. So yeah, it's doing. I'm just doing random stuff at this point. We also, in the first stream, it depends. It's a pool allocator. I know the logic, but I don't know how to implement it. I used Claude for it. ChatGPT is just way too dumb for that kind of stuff. So I used Claude, and it was good until I realized I needed to re-implement a ton of stuff that might rely on memory management, basically. So there's this thing. This used to have calls to the other version of this function. I think I have it. No, me first. My name first, and then Myla. Example. No. Where is it? Yeah, this was the file. And so it's only about 132. I was also surprised by the size. And yep, this is the Realloc implementation and the Malloc implementation. It's very small. It uses, what is it? Shadow typing. I forgot. Basically, um, you have a pointer, and like a certain area before the pointer, the data that the pointer is pointing to is metadata. So I think it's also used by the standard library, the allocator for the standard library, because otherwise we would have a ton of boilerplate for the allocators and stuff. So anyways, so yeah, the allocator and stuff. This is just, it's just dead weight now. So anyways, yeah, I'm very proud of Myla because, well, it's written in C. It helped me write better C overall, because C is not really my main language. It's more, I'm a Pythonista, and I'm forcing myself to learn C so that I can write actual programs that are actually fast without using C behind the scenes. So I just thought, why not just write C? If you're gonna use C modules, extensions, just write C. So yeah, I have. Oh, nice. I actually also have another programming language that's actually my main project, that's written in Python. Oh, yeah, that's my problem too. Did you first learn Python? Because I also did. I also learned Python first, and not really. Whew, it was hard moving from Python to C, or any language. In fact, it was when I understood C. It learning other languages just got faster. Hmm. I'm not even a college student yet, but there's people. So tips. First tip, don't watch too many tutorials. Learn how to experiment yourself. If you get stuck in tutorial hell, you'll never get out of there until you consciously choose to go out of that hell. Basically, just try and implement your own stuff. So yeah, that's it. Start projects, and if you do them well enough, you're probably gonna get skilled at it, more skilled at it, like I did. And yeah, speaking of that, where is? Oh, there it is. So yeah, this is my project ideas. Project ideas. Probably try simple stuff. Probably, implement simple sorting algorithms. Learn how to do factorials, Fibonacci, and such. Main language is Gleam. Super fun to write. What is, oh yeah, Gleam. Let me check that. I think I saw Choding program in this. It's like Go. The syntax looks like Go. So yeah, just don't watch too many tutorials for stuff. So let's see. How do you wait? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. So this. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, speaking of functional programming, have you tried Haskell and Rust? Here's the minimum requirements to program these kinds of projects. If it can turn on and you can open at least 20 Chrome tabs, I think your laptop is safe. Oh, Haskell. Yeah, same. I'm also scared of Haskell, but it's unique, and it's, I don't know. It piques my interest. Like, how do I syntax Haskell? Haskell. So basically, oh, do, not I instinctively saved the file. Mm, it's not. Was it put ln? Put ln or put print? Now that's right ln. I forgot the function. Oh, not GHC. That one. Right. Put ln or put stir ln. There it is. Put stir ln. Basically, yeah. Oh, damn it. Minimum requirements for a low world in Haskell. This is not game programming. I must evacuate. Oh yeah. Well, I do have a simple game thing going on, and I will try to implement more stuff using my programming language, using Raylib. I want to implement a 3D game by myself. That would be fun. So anyways. Well, I get, at least it turns on. So your laptop is, well, it's good enough to program. So anyways, yeah, Haskell is not that scary. It's still scary, but it's not as scary as things are. I did try to also learn Rust by implementing a linked list. Oh yeah, forgot I did that. So this is Rust stuff. Yeah. So this is the linked list. It was not good. It was not fun trying to implement this. Do you think building a game with OpenGL with C language? Probably start with Raylib. Raylib is Raylib is much more simpler. OpenGL is old and there's tons of setup involved, but yeah, yep, it's very hard. Instead, I used ref counting instead because the box didn't implement clone, so I think it was both. Linked list and doubly linked list is hard to implement in any language except C. You just store some pointers and that's it. Yep, here's the linked list in C. Oh yeah, and I did try to explain generics in C. There's this. It was it was introduced in C11. The generic stuff. I think it was even. Oh, whoops. No, never mind. CC. Yeah, it was. Oh, what? This is not. Okay. So yeah, here it is. It was implemented in C11, the generic keyword. Yep, it's true. So, where is it? It's very simple to do that in C. In fact, I may be able to. Yeah, C11 generics. It's a macro though. It's not full generics. You have to manually write this, but it's there. It exists. So this is the example. Basically, this is the expression that we're checking the type of, and these are the stuff to call. So this is the parameter, and yeah, this is the types, and then the value that you will expand this macro to for floats and the strings, and this is the functions. This doesn't work though. I was confused as to why it wasn't compiling. This is Yeah, you have to put the parentheses after, so the expressions needs to be simple. I was also surprised when I learned that this exists in C plus. I mean in C. So yeah, I learned it from Choding. Um, from this guy. Yeah. Where was it? Yeah, this guy. I learned it from this guy. So, yeah. Look at this implementation of a linked list. It's 39 lines. Yeah, 39 lines. And look at the Rust implementation. Oh yeah, I was just trying to mutate stuff here. It's 35 lines. Oh, okay. What? Oh, because 39 lines. But it's much more informationally dense. Choding is a good guy. He's a great streamer. So okay, stop with the warnings. Stop. So anyways, yeah, this, even though it's actually less lines, implemented in less lines, it's dense regarding information. I mean, look, this got me. This got. I don't even know why this exists and this does. Is this generic only applicable to this, or is this generic and this the same? It's confusing because if it is the same, it should just be implied, or this should be moved there. I don't know. Oh yeah, and the box versus RC versus what? Yeah, I forgot, but yeah, it was another one. This was hard to do. Yeah, it's hard to get. Yeah, Rust is not for the faint of heart. If you don't know memory management, if you don't know if you don't know algebraic data types, Haskell has that. And if you don't know, I don't know, it doesn't feel like a low level language. It feels like a high level language, a higher level than C, because well, it's definitely higher level than C because stuff. Yeah, I mean, look at this enum. It's clean. Look at this enum. Well, it's also implementable in C. Actually, in my programming language, it's literally how types, I mean, objects or values are implemented. Yeah, as you can see here. This is the type. Here it is. The type of the value, and then this is the value itself. Setting how to done Raylib. What do you think, C or C++? It depends. It depends if you want C or C++. C++ would sound convenient for me, depending on how you would make your game anyway. For me, C is enough. But if you want to implement, I don't know, probably an entity system as well, simulation stuff, it's probably much more convenient to use C++, especially with the dynamic arrays and vectors and stuff. So yeah, this is the value tagged unions. There, tagged unions. That's basically what this is. It's a tagged union. I don't know how did this work. I think it does use, yeah. Oh yeah, those types. It's basically just a tagged union, and the Rust compiler just keeps track of the tag both in compile time and runtime. Oh yeah, that I don't even know that. I know the R value semantics in C. Simple. L values are assignable, R values are can be an L value, but it depends. In C++, it's much more weirder. I think I also have yeah, here's the stuff. I think I implemented a yeah, Caesar cipher. Here it is. It's yeah, it does work. I think. I hope it still does work. Oh yeah, I just did G plus o main.cpp. Yep, it compiles and whoops. There it is. It just skips any characters that is not in the alphabet. Quote unquote alphabet, it has numbers there. So yeah, it was very hard to do stuff here, but this is what I fell in love with. Range-based for loops. It's convenient. It's convenient. It's very convenient. You just do that instead of the C way. I think any for loop in C is manual or C style basically. So this is much more convenient. The only problem is template generics. Template generics and other, I don't know how do you call that, I forgot the different styles of templates and stuff in generics. Paradigms, there you go. The different paradigms that you can use in C++ is just crazy. Here's an example. Sphinx. Sphinx. Yeah, that. So basically what it does is you have a list of types and the compiler will try each and every one of those types until it doesn't match any other type in that list. Only then will it stop and actually give an error. I think, yeah. So basically, yeah, that. It just tries. Oh yeah, that as well. Vectors are cool, actually. So, auto. Are you referencing lists or yeah, lists and arrays? Vectorizing, it depends actually, because sometimes vectorizing does cause problems. I'm not sure which specific type of problems though, but vectorizing an array or a list, it actually speeds it up. The only problem is, yeah, it has some bugs. Oh yeah, printf. This is the C printf. It supports that syntax. There's that, yeah. This is, yeah. it works. Oh, who cares? So yeah. Oh, because of this. Oh, probably that. So just do that. There you go. So printf actually supports positional, not positional, specific position. You can define what argument you're referencing to using a number and then a dollar sign after it. Someone implemented a brain fuck interpreter using printf. Someone implemented the brainfuck interpreter in printf. I think printf yeah, here it is. Brainfuck inside the printf. Look at that. What is that? Oh, so this is probably forces it to overflow and that causes stuff to happen. So this %n, it returns the where is it? So so basically %n returns the number of bytes you just printed. Whoops. Oh, nice. So yeah. So this, if I print And this is gonna be 4 because it has 4 characters here. So using this, you can write to this variable, and if you know some weird stuff with C and the stack, you can manipulate this variable to write to the next argument, and that causes the stuff to happen. Yeah, this, it's weird that it works. It's weird that it works. So technically you can port Linux into a printf statement. I mean a function call. So anyways, yeah. Where was I? Where was I? So anyways, let's stop programming and show stuff that I have done on my laptop. So I have these. Oh yeah, and I also tried to implement stuff in the D language, as you can see. It's weird, especially the syntax. It's weird, but it's actually pretty good. So yeah, look at this. Hooray. So yeah. I tried to learn D because I saw some stream. It's not bad. It's just it's too alien, if you know what I mean. It's all right, and the generic stuff is it's convenient. It's less C++ and actual just raw generics and stuff, and it's just cool. It's cool. It's cool. And there's also, oh yeah, I think no, I think where C3, yeah, here C3 stuff. It's weird. C3 is also weird. It I don't know what those to it's weird as hell. It's weird. Look at this syntax. That's supposed to be a generic. Who does that? What other language uses curly braces for generic syntax? Why? 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 Anyways, yeah, that. I know. It's disgusting. Oh yeah, that. Oh yeah, and this is my language. It's ugly. This is very ugly. I don't like that language. My own language, I hate it. Oh yeah, here's Haskell. Yeah, here it is. I just tried implementing some random stuff, and yeah, it's not bad. It's not good either. It's like programming with math. Oh, just a second. I'll be back. I have returned. So, speaking of stuff, see. Oh yeah, I also have this project. I kind of forgot about it. I tried making my own shell, and I haven't touched it since, I don't know. It's been a while. Wait. Ah. Doesn't even. Wait, what? Does it even? Oh, it try. Oh, okay. Huh. Project C shell and shell. Shell. What? Low. Oh, we're in the shell. That explains it. So, yeah, shell. We're in the shell now, and it does work. Barely. String handling does exist, so it doesn't handle strings without spaces. So if I go hello, yeah, okay, that's a problem. Yeah, there's stuff that I need to fix in that shell, but it does exist. I mean, it does work, and it compiles. So yeah. Anyway, where was I? Oh, oh, yep. Probably didn't check if it was a string or not, so must have chopped off the last character accidentally. And what other project should I do? I'm running out of stuff to add to Myla. Oh yeah, and I think there was more. This is not mine. These are wrappers around Olama. Oh, my website. What's this it show? Oh, that is also. This is the. So yeah, cool projects. They're not that cool. If you could just see the entirety of the code base, it's messy. This is the most uh, messiest project I have. the the first 28 lines already says what. Yeah, what does this? Oh, okay. So yeah, see, it's not good. What's this? Get Python ink. Oh, okay, it's cool. So yeah, yeah, that's. Oh, there's some errors. What? Yeah, it's okay. That's not good. And the first line is 850 lines. 850 lines. Oh, what did I do? Oh, yep. You haven't seen the rest. These are the files. Yeah. Look at this. A single Python file is 83 kilobytes. 83 kilobytes. Let's check how many lines it has. 1722. It's not that big. It was. The old version of this was 3,000 lines long. Wait, was there? I don't know. But it was. At some point, it was at least above 1,500 lines. I mean, one at 1,000, 200, 2,000. Yeah, it's, and yeah, this dependency injection basically. It can always, yeah. Let me just put you to one of the, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Module handling. So this, since this is written in Python, it could call other Python stuff. So this module handles the importing of that. So Lua, yeah, it supports Lua, and here's the DPL one, and the Python. Oh, okay, that's the C1, and here's the PyImport one. Where is that? Yeah, wait, what? It's not that. Where is it? It's still bad. It's not good. Where is it? Here it is. I think it. Wait, no. Where is the? Here it is. Here's the stuff. So it just runs it. It just runs the file. It's not that bad, but it's still bad. And where's the other worse stuff? There's not much worse stuff. And here's some of the files. As you can see, the syntax is ugly. the syntax is ugly. Put a semicolon where neither of these languages, Python or my language, supports semicolons. So the cursed thing about this programming language of mine is, if it looks like a string, if it doesn't look like a number, it's a string. If it doesn't look like a number, it's a string. So if I go to that project of mine and run dpl.py, so it's running dpl now. And we do that. It's my own programming language. So if we have, oh yeah, it supports that, I forgot. The world. So yeah, it works, and it does support syntax highlighting in the thing. It's still glitchy though. And as you can see, if I go here and put some whatever name, it would print it as a string. If you saw some of this code, you'd be surprised as to what's this. The meaning of that colon is to read the variable with the name color. Because if I just put color here, that's a string color. It's equivalent to that. So it's cursed. It's cursed. It doesn't have type coercion, which is good. You won't end up with banana trying to add random stuff. So if I go here, I print ln color is equal to color. It's guess what? That's another cursed thing, because that everything is a string. You need to tell what an expression is. You need to know what you need to tell the interpreter what if it's an expression or not. And that syntax is by putting it in square brackets. So now this will evaluate the true or one. It's weird. I'm building my own programming language earlier when I started stream was this one. It was written in C. It is written in C. Yeah. This is actually a list. It's a syntax basically. So if I put it there and go 90 is equal to 90, it's a tuple basically. It's a tuple. As you can see, it's a tuple. So the only way to make a list is by this syntax. That's a list. Now that's a list. The reason why that is not evaluated is for while loops. So if I just go here, set x is equal to 10, and then go here, x is equal to x is greater than 0, and then go here, set x is equal to x minus 1, and so it will, okay, that's a problem. I forgot to put a colon there. I forgot to put a colon. There you go. Now let's just put io_println here just to show that it is looping. So yeah, you need to really keep in mind that when you're reading variables, you need to put a colon there, and as you can see there. So now what happens if I use this syntax. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, I need to fix that. That's not highlighting like that one. So now we're gonna see why, yeah, that happened. Wait, whoa, what expression? Oh, yeah, this evaluated to 1. So basically what happened is that happened. Yes, I am a Linux user. I daily drive this. It's not dual boot. I'm too lazy to set that up. Not that I hate Windows, it's convenient. So as you can see, it literally doesn't allow me. This is the same as this, because this evaluates to 1, because x is still greater than that. So actually, oh, I didn't, well, anyways, if would have, yeah. So this evaluates it on the spot using this syntax. Let me just, so this syntax allows DPL to run this expression how many times it likes until that expression is finally false, because it's frozen. It's a lazy expression, if you will. So now if we go down here, this tells DPL to interpret the expression when it encounters it. So this, when the interpreter reaches this point, it interprets it and then passes it to the while instruction. So what happens is actually the result of this expression being passed to the while instruction, while this expression is the one being passed into the while instruction. So what the while sees is exactly that expression, while this while it sees the result. So since we already exhausted x, that's gonna be 0. So it's gonna literally accept the value 0. And since it wants to turn it into an expression, yeah, that happens. So yeah, it's basically bash stuff. I think that also happens in bash. So I think, yeah, what nah, who cares. Oh, not bash. Oh, what the hell happened here? What the hell? It's the LSP freaking out. So yeah. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also bash, but also TCL. I think I have some. Wait, did I have TCL? I think I did. Yeah, there's TCL. So basically, in TCL, since everything is also a string, view syntax TCL, TCL. So basically, oh whoops, we have while. What was it again? I forgot. Damn it. So you have to use these for the expression. So was it set? Yeah, x is equal to 90. So x is greater than 0, and then here x minus minus. Wait, is it minus minus? Well, just set x. Oh wait, I forgot. You also need to use these. Yeah. DPL. Oh, the reason why DPL uses square brackets for the expressions, it was inspired by TCL, and that's why it's also why there's strings everywhere. It's TCL. It's because of this. Because of TCL. So basically, this is TCL. So this tells TCL to just look for 90 times or 10 times. So what happens is this gets passed. You know, this gets passed to the while instruction, as well as this body. Do we need to read that? I don't know. So just loops. It's just loops. And the second stuff for the thing that I did in DPL is basically the equivalent of doing this. So this gets evaluated instantly. Oh, whoops. Oh, what? So basically, what happens? This is just, oh, what's the, yeah, that's runs normally, and this one loops forever, because this, the part, yeah, there it is. It's equivalent to just doing that, because we run this once. We're telling TCL to run this expression when it sees it, and it does. And now this gets replaced with its value 1, so it becomes a while 1 loop. It's, yeah, yeah, it's weird, but it's convenient to be able to do that explicitly sometimes. So I'm gonna show you some weird syntax in Myla. So here it is. Closures and contextuals. You may know closures. It's basically just grabbing a function. So here, make counter. So we are gonna have a count. We're gonna start at 0. Oh, someone's outside. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna check who that is. I may need to end the stream temporarily. We kinda need to fix the router and stuff. So yeah, see you in a bit.